on, guys? In today's video, if you couldn't tell by the title, we are going to be redoing my whole entire interior. So for those of you that are new to the channel, really fast, let me get you caught up. This is a car that just got a restoration mod. So the whole paint job is like brand new. This car is in mint condition from the exterior. Let me show you guys really fast. As you can see, my quarter panel door all the way down to the fender has not a single dent in it. Considering that this is a 20-year-old car, that is fairly rare, and it's not often to see because these cars are 20 years old and you get dings and dents and small scratches. This car has none of that. But my interior, on the other hand, is in complete shit condition. This car's interior has always been in bad condition. I got it gutted because when I first got it, it has high miles, so my interior has always been in really bad shape. But before I start this video off, I need to get you guys caught up really fast. I filmed this video yesterday, and somehow my camera managed to overwrite everything that I filmed yesterday from the very beginning, so I have to do an introduction again, and half the work that I did is kind of gone to waste, but I still have some time lapse for you guys. So where I left the video off yesterday was I was just about to clean all the junk that was in the interior, as in like the, you know, like fast food bags, my hoodies, things like that. I cleaned all that out, so I'll continue the video from there, and then you guys can see the time lapse of me taking stuff out. I want to show you the interior, but it's gonna mess it up the flow of the video. But really fast, I ended up buying this dashboard from Charlotte. I found a dude selling one. Finally, it's so hard to come by one of these, and so I basically bought this, and it kind of kick-started me to just start the rebuild of the interior, because that's all that's left on this car. It's the exterior is beautiful, now we just need to get the interior looking the same. So my goal is to get the black dash in, get a black carpet if I can find one, and then I've said the goals multiple times, like what I want to do with this interior, so I'm not going to really talk about that just yet. I'll talk about it more in part 2. But what I'm going to do now is basically snap my fingers. It's going to go back to yesterday, whatever I filmed, and work its way up to where I'm at now. So yeah, guys, sorry about that. It sucks that this happened, but whatever. So I'm just going to snap my fingers, and it's going to continue the vlog from yesterday. So yeah, have fun. And boom, just like that, the whole interior is clean now. Obviously I don't have a vacuum here, but it could use some vacuuming, but it's okay because the carpet's coming out anyway. I cleared the space so I can set the camera down also and get you guys some good angles. So let's get this started. So I'm thinking, in order to start this, I think I should actually work my way back to the front. So from the back, I think I'm just gonna start dismantling things here, taking the shift boot off, taking all these little things out, and slowly just taking everything off, and then I can slowly start working towards the front. I can take the dash out, the dash out, yes, of course we're taking the dash out, but I can take the cluster out, slowly start prying and getting these things out, the air vents, the switches, little things like that, and getting it prepped to just be removed. And then hopefully, you know, I don't have to resort to YouTube and to find some kind of tutorial, and if there's anything else I need to do, I'm assuming you just kind of pull it off. You just got to figure out. I'm going to use the current new dash as reference to know where I got to pull for the clips so that I don't break them, because I do want to sell this and get some of my money back, so that's the plan. Okay, quick update to stop the time lapse. I got the center console out. The armrest is out. Taking the screw out was a complete and utter bitch, but I got it out. I got the whole center area right here with the what's it called, the OBC, and this piece out as well with the heated seat pieces. I'm just trying to get the center thing out, and I referenced the one on the, what's it called, on the new dashboard, and I was wondering why he didn't take this out, and I guess he just got lazy and he just whipped it out and he broke all the clips. This trim piece right here takes a lot of time because you really got to find all the screws. Like, look how many screws there are. There's like so many screws, and there's one more screw behind this thing. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm trying to show you guys with the light, but if you look carefully, there's a screw. There's a screw that goes here, right? You see that? You see that one right there? There's one right above it too that I had to take out to get this trim piece out. Right there, that hole right there, that's what I have to do. So the one on this side, there's some weird metal thing here. I'm not sure what it is, so I think I'm gonna start with the climate control. But one thing's for sure though, it is getting kind of dark. This camera is not really good in low light, so I might just continue some more off camera and just update you guys tomorrow, because it is Saturday, so tomorrow I'll be off and the garage door will be open, and we'll have more light coming in here. So once we have more light coming in here, I'll be able to explain a little bit better and also continue working. So I'm gonna try to knock out as much as I can today before I run out of daylight. I don't have a lot of lighting in this garage, so I might not even be able to work, and it's really hot and humid in North Carolina. So even with the garage closed, I don't want a lot of mosquitoes coming in here. So once the garage is closed, it can get really hot and humid in here. So yeah, working on things is just gonna be impossible. So I'm gonna try to knock out as much as I can right now, and then we'll continue the rest tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and hopefully when I cover this camera and uncover it, we're gonna have a lot more shit out by then. So wish me luck, guys. Okay, so this is the next morning. Got a lot of things done off camera. Check it out. So I don't really remember where I updated the vlog last, but let me just start from the beginning. We got the armrest out, we got the center console out, we got the center trim out, we got that center piece with the window switches out, we got the OBC out, we got the center console trim that went from here. It's right there, if you can look. We got that out. We even got this little kick panel thing out from over here. So what's it called? We made a lot of progress. We even took out the kick panel. I don't know why I'm saying we, but whatever. I got the glove compartment out as well, and I even got this little door sill trim out as well. I'm actually got it out without breaking the clips, which is nice. So because we will be reusing that and painting it black. So we also need to take out the carpet, so it's important that I did that as well. I don't have a T50 to take this out, otherwise I would have taken that out, but that's where I ended up stopping. I have to go to Advanced Auto Parts and get some tools that I know I'm gonna need that I don't have right now. I need some needle nose pliers as well, because I need to also do the bushings that are in this. Look how bad that is shaking. So I need to change the I don't know if it's a bushing or something, but it's the steering column bearing or something, and that bearing in there is super loose, so it's causing the steering wheel to shake like crazy, and it made me think that I don't have like balanced wheels or something was wrong with my control arms or something. But I'm sure my control arms are also shot, but I know this was definitely a problem according to Mike. So he came and looked at it too, and he told me which bearings to buy, so I have to buy that. And then apparently I need to do my clutch pedal bushings, the clutch pedal assembly bushing, because my clutch pedal, if you can look carefully, is leaning to the left. If you do have that problem in your E36, more than likely your pedal bushing is shot. I actually don't mind that, but Mike's making me do it. He's like, dude, you're already down there, just do it. And I was like, okay, fine. So I will do that after we get the black dash in, but that'll probably be in part 2 of this video, so stay tuned. But in today's video, we're just gonna take this dash out. I have to go run and do some errands right now, but whenever I get the chance to start, we're gonna get started right away. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so there's a bolt right here. There's also a bolt on the passenger side, same thing. And then there's 2 screws right here. One right here, one right here. Well, I don't even think I gotta take this one out, but I definitely gotta take, I believe it was this one. Or actually, I think it is this one as well. I have to take a couple screws out, and then there's some screws behind this panel over here. And once I get those out, I should be able to successfully pull the dash out. So yeah, guys, wish me luck. Hopefully this doesn't take hours. I got the ring light set up too, so we get some good lighting in here. But yeah, let's do this. Okay. Oh my God, that was hell. That was absolute hell. Y'all see this? Holy shit. I'm sweating like crazy. What's it called? I probably look insane, my eye bags and everything with the sweat, my skin in the darkness. Yeah, so we got it out. I hope I didn't break anything, because I was low-key pushing the crap out of this turn signal stock, and I don't want it to be messed up. No, we're good, we're good. Yeah, I have a lot of questions. I don't know, some things that are on this dash, this new dash, are not on this old dash, so it's kind of weird, but pretty cool for the most part to see a car without dash, and I can't believe I did it all by myself. I had to take the airbag out. I didn't realize how, if I knew that, I would have gotten the dash out sooner, but here she is in her glory. Might swap parts over from this to that. I don't know. I want to see whichever's in better condition will go on the new dash, and whatever is in worse condition will go back on the gray dash. Sorry to the next buyer of my old dash. But pretty much everything on this dash does look pretty mint or same condition as my E36. So I'm pretty sure we should be okay. But yeah, so I mean, obviously this dash is not going to be coming into the car for quite some time, because we still have to We still need to take out the carpet. So in the next episode, that's probably more than likely what we're gonna end up doing is taking out this carpet. And I'm not trying to cut it, I'm trying to do it the right way. So I don't know if I'm gonna take the heater core out, if I'm gonna have to open that box up and get the whole heater core out, I don't know. Or I might just cut along there and then get a new carpet and then finesse it to make it look like it wasn't cut, but I'll just cut it so deep inside that you won't be able to tell. So obviously can't put a dash back until I sort out either a carpet or if I decide to just stay gutted. I don't know yet. I really would like to keep a carpet though. But I don't know, we'll see. As time goes on, I'll be able to decide better. I need to sort out these wires too and see what the heck's going on with them, make sure it's all organized. I have to find every screw here and put it back where it belongs so I remember. It's really hard to do this without any help and obviously not being organized. That seems to be my problem now. I was not very organized, but I did keep the screws in specific spots and I put them in specific spots where I'll remember what they look like especially. So hopefully that does help, but damn, what a journey it has been for the past 2 days. Got a lot done though. The dash is out, carpet will be out soon, and then we can start buying the rear parts. I want to get the rear delete panels for the back from MK Motorsports, the black ones, and then I do plan on doing a half cage as well, so we're gonna have to drill some stuff. I'm not sure if I'll be able to do all that myself, but it's a learning curve and it's time I learn how to do some stuff myself anyway. So yeah, we got the dash out. I'm sweating like crazy. The humidity is insane once again, just like last night. So I have work tomorrow, so I won't be able to work on this tomorrow, but Tuesday or maybe tomorrow after work, I should be able to get back on it and get this carpet out. And yeah, so super excited with today's progress. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and this video and this new series of doing something to the E36. I'm gonna try to make this like a 3-part episode thing, but more than likely it's gonna stretch out to 4 or 5. And you guys know how inconsistent I am with my uploading schedule now, so God knows how long I keep this up and then don't I disappear for like 3 or 4 months and then give you guys a random update like boom, it's complete. But who knows, I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna try and keep this as documented as possible for fun, because I know it's like cool to watch, like the whole interior come apart and then come back together and look insane, because we did that with the exteriors and now we get to do it with the interior. Anyways, I did buy some parts. I'm gonna talk about that in tomorrow's or next episode, whenever I start filming again for the next episode. But hopefully you guys have good comments to comment down below. If you do have any information that could help me out, please let me know, because I will be using that and reading that while I'm working on this car tomorrow or Tuesday, which who knows, I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog once again. Love you guys. For those of you that watched this whole thing, I really appreciate you. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions for mods or anything like that. But I'm done now. I want to go eat. I'm starving. I need a shower because I stink. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Peace out.